So this here is my Honda Odyssey 2006. Had an issue with this side door. You'd close it, it'd pull in with the powered lock, but then after a second it would release. And normally the fix for this is to replace the rear latch. That's the rear latch that's not catching. But in this case I took the latch apart. So follow any video that shows you how to replace the latch. That's fine, but if you don't want to replace the latch, this will hopefully be helpful. So here's the latch. To expose this face that you see here, all I did was remove the plastic cover that was on that. That plastic cover is just up here. There's two screws in it. You pop it off. It was pretty straightforward. So if you look here, what actually goes wrong in this situation, get the shadow out, there's a micro switch here, and it's triggered by the movement of this catch here. And you see this was binding, so it wasn't actually returning. And so the way it's supposed to work, this is the lock cylinder here. So if I release that, okay, good, all right. So that's been released there. So normally what's supposed to happen is as you push this down, this in such a way that you can see what's happening, see it catches into place, and it's now depressed that micro switch. So you see the little foot has pushed on the micro switch. It's actually slid past it, so it's locked right down in. If that piece isn't returning, it'll cause that micro switch not to catch, and that won't tell it'll tell the door isn't closed and isn't latched, so it'll release it again. It's actually a protection feature in case somebody's fingers got caught in the door. The way that then releases again is that part allows the latch to swing back into place. So again, lock, unlock. Perfect. There we go. So it's good to go. I've just washed it with penetrating oil. Now I'm going to re-lubricate it with some lithium grease to make sure that everything stays working well.